From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Wednesday evening, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate here with your CNET forecast. It's been a nearly uniformly gray day across the Commonwealth today, with persistent cloud cover not only here in State College, but for a majority of Pennsylvanians. And as we can see on our College Township camera, some of the snow and ice from the system the other day still sticking around Mount Nittany because we've had a very hard time getting our air temperature up above freezing. So what's on the ground is going to stay with us for at least the next couple of days, since we are forecasting temperatures to take a little bit of a nosedive. I'll show you the 7-day forecast in a few minutes. Temperatures around the rest of the Commonwealth are generally anywhere between about the mid-20s and upper 30s from Johnstown to Harrisburg, respectively. But you can see that we've got some pretty decent winds to deal with this afternoon, and that's giving plenty of folks wind chills that are anywhere between 5 and 10 degrees below the ambient air temperature. You can see across the northern tier, upper teens to around the 20-degree mark for Bradford and Scranton, and then in the Laurel Highlands, even cooler, 15 degrees is what it feels like as you step out the door this afternoon. Radar and satellite not terribly active in Pennsylvania today. Plenty of persistent clouds, you know this, but there's also a little bit of lake-enhanced flurry activity going on coming off of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario up in New York State, and some of those just trying to eke their way south of Binghamton along the I-81 corridor into northeastern Pennsylvania. Across the rest of the country today, a little bit of an active day in the eastern half of the U.S. As you can see, a band of showers and thunderstorms just departing the southeast and passing over North Florida. We even had one report of a confirmed tornado that passed through the southern half of downtown Tallahassee late this morning. Meanwhile, another storm system is bringing plenty of snow to the eastern plains and into the Midwest. That'll just skirt south of us overnight tonight. And then the system I'm most interested in is way off the west coast of the U.S., just off the Oregon coast. Over the next couple of days, it could get its act together and bring us some wintry precipitation. I'll show you those details in just a moment. In the meantime, tonight, like I said, that one low pressure system entering the Midwest skirts by the state tonight. I think the southern tier of the state will just have some extra clouds to deal with. And then during the day on Thursday, we'll keep a brisk northwesterly wind in, potentially even gusty at times, so wind chills will be much lower. And then overnight, Thursday night into Friday night, conditions should set up for us to get a little bit of lake effect snow. I don't expect it to be terribly heavy, nor do I expect any significant accumulations, but it is something you're going to want to keep an eye out for during the morning hours of Friday. And then high pressure will briefly take control and help clear some of those clouds out as we head into Friday evening. Now, through this weekend, I mentioned that storm system off the coast of Oregon. By Saturday night, it should be crossing into the Midwest. And what you're looking at here is a model comparison between the European model in yellow and the American model, the GFS, in green. And I've highlighted the center of the low pressure systems. Now, the closer the track is to the Keystone State, the better chance we'll have for snow. So you can see here as we pause things Sunday evening, the American model is a little bit closer to the Keystone State, and so the GFS is forecasting a little bit more snow out of this system. Meanwhile, the European likes to take things south through the latter half of the weekend, and that would be a less favorable track for us to get snow. Again, there's still plenty of uncertainty to deal with, so stay tuned with us. We'll have the details over the coming days as to which model looks like it'll be the more accurate one. Tonight, not terribly much disagreement. Clouds will be on the increase, and the temperatures will be on the decrease, down to about 20 degrees tonight. Wind chills in the low teens as winds will pick up out of the northwest, and will only warm to about 25 tomorrow, with wind chills still in the teens because winds will be stronger and will be gustier. So make sure you bundle up if you're going to be out and about on Thursday. Friday could be the coldest day yet this season with a forecast high of 23. We will gradually warm up as that storm system approaches Sunday into Monday. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, clouds will be on the decrease, as will temperatures, as high pressure will begin to take control back over the Keystone State's weather. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Have a great night.